If you want to add Pedometer to the home screen on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then in that case we can use the Google Health app. Now, you might not have this app installed in your case. In my case, it was already pre-installed for me. But if you don't have it, you can go to the Play Store, and then you can search for Health or Google Health. There we go. And this is the app that we're looking for. Previously, it was actually Fitbit, but recently it has been rebranded. So once you have the app, you want to simply open it. We will have to set it up, but it is very simple. You can just use your Google account or Fitbit account if you had one. And with Google account, you can just quickly create an account and if necessary, fill all the information that the app may require you to fill in. Of course, also grant all the necessary permissions to be able to use the app. And in here, inside this app, you can see we have the step counter straight away. Now, besides that, since we want to add it to the home screen, if we want to use the widget, we can press and hold our finger on an empty space on the home screen now, and we can open widgets. In here, we need to find the health app. So here it is. And then here we have this quick access widget. So I'm just gonna press and hold my finger to add it to the home screen. And there we go. Here it is. We can see our step counter in here. We should also be able to make it slightly smaller so that it doesn't take that much space. So yeah, there we go. This is how it looks like. Leave a like and subscribe.